This is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and today is kind of a cool day here in the workshop. Let's see, it's April, what is it? It's the 8th, and it's been a very long, cold, very wet winter here in Santa Cruz, California, and I'm really excited because we're actually going to be opening up the workshop a little bit, letting some of the fresh air in. I was looking on my phone, and this is the first time I've looked on my phone in months where 7 out of the next 10 days aren't going to be full of rain. In fact, there's no rain on the forecast for the next 10 days. So today's a big day. I'm going to take down some of the tarps and some of the I'm going to pull up some of the shades because spring is here, and I'm really excited about that, not just to sell more sandals, but because it's finally going to be warm and comfortable in here. I've been wanting to do this for months. Ah, the redwoods are back. Yes. This is awesome. So this is the best part about working in this workshop, is in the summer when it's open and warm. You know, we get to see the redwoods and, you know, the forest and all that. It's pretty nice. But during the winter, it's pretty dismal. You see the inside of a tarp. So I'm glad to be changing that up. So much better. Let me show you a little secret. Come here. So I really like the redwoods. Out there we got a nice grove of redwoods here in the backyard, which I love. They're beautiful. But the thing I actually like the most is these maple trees. And they're just starting to, the leaves are coming back. But once these trees fill out, they provide so much shade. Kind of a wimpy one to film. Two of us holding up a tiny little tarp like this. Oh wow. It's like a flag folding ceremony.
We can hear Josh. Use it.
It'll say. No, it's not. It's not a flag.
It is. Does this disgrace America?
I think it does.
Or does it just disgrace flags in general? You seem
Flags
really
in general.
offended
It's a
for
tarp.
flags, Josh.
Look at that folding too. Willie, it's going to be the only one like that. Sure. You can't have one triangle and a whole bunch of rectangles.
Fine.
I'll get this one. ridiculous. Ah, stop it.
My duty as a little brother to annoy Josh. So.